Hey guys, Andy here from Mediocre Hobbies coming at you with something a bit different. Games Workshop did send me out a bizarre box set. It's not a box of miniatures, it's not a box of anything that I've really received before, and I thought I would share it with you guys here today and my plans on what the hell I'm going to do with it, as it's not something that's usually in my wheelhouse. So without further ado, let me show you what it is first, and then I'm going to talk to you guys about how you can get your hands on pretty much most of the stuff they sent me. So what is it? Anybody have any ideas of what it is? It is the Skulls promotional box for 2024. For anyone who is unaware of what Skulls is, it is a week-long festival to showcase all of the awesome new video games that are coming out for the kind of Games Workshop IP. These things include things like, of course, the much anticipated Space Marine 2 and a whole host of other things. So the internet is very excited by this, and I, for one, I'm also very excited to get my hands on some of these games and get stuck in and play with them. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to give you guys a quick unboxing about what I actually got inside of this thing, and talk through the different items. And then there's a whole host of keys in here for some games on Steam, and I'm going to show you or tell you guys how you can get your hands on these keys, because I have every single one of them already in my library because I'm kind of a big nerd. So if you want to find out what that is, stick around for the rest of the video. Okay guys, so this is the Skulls box. It's actually a really nice box, it's magnetically sealed and all that jazz, and there's some fun stuff there. So let me just open up the box set and make sure there's nothing you're not supposed to see. So they're probably not supposed to see this. So this is an invitation to it, post from the 14th of May. We're all good on that for the embargo date and stuff. On the back side of this piece of paper is some codes. And obviously I can't show that piece of paper because you'll all just steal the Steam codes and put them into your own one. So we have Vermintide 2, Darktide, Blood Bowl 3, Rogue Trader, Battlescape, Warhammer Combat Patrol, Warpfire, Tacticus, Total Warhammer 3, Bolt Gun, and Mechanicus. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 games. There's QR codes for 11 games, or Steam keys for 11 games inside of that piece of paper. And I will be giving absolutely every single one of those keys away on my stream next Thursday. I'll tell you a little bit more about that information in a moment. Now, as for the rest of the contents of the box, they did give me a beautiful Joy toy. I got, of course, the Tempesta Scion from the Command Squad with the grenade launcher. He's a really, really nice piece. I have a bunch of the Joy toy stuff already, but I have kept inside the realms of Space Marines, and specifically Black Templars and Imperial Fists. I'm a proud son of Dorn, so this is actually my first Imperial Guard one, and I am a big Imperial Guard fan, so very happy to have that. A very nice piece. They've given me a set of really nice Skulls stickers, some awesome Librarian, some Festival stickers, and Skull. These two are not really that interesting because they'll basically be out of date pretty much immediately. But these two are really cool. I really like those two. I'm happy with that. This is a bit of a weird one. They've given me a Vindictor and paint set, and I got a bit confused by the concept of why they would send this to me. And I realized that the boxes are mostly the same for everyone who received one of these, and a lot of the people that would have received these are just in the video game space. Maybe they don't engage with the Warhammer hobby as goes building and painting miniatures, so maybe this would be a nice little toe in for them, so that was quite nice of them. I have literally no use for this. I'll probably just steal the paints out of it on the brush, but it was nice to see. A nice set of dice. We got the Felgor Ravagers dice set. I believe everybody got different sets of dice as well. Probably just the dice Games Workshop had left over in the warehouse that weren't really selling. A great way to get rid of them is to put them in the promotional box set. But they are actually quite nice dice, and I did not have them already, so I'm quite happy with that. I did throw this plushie in because the plushie that came inside the box has already been stolen. The person that stole it knows who they are responsible for it, and they'll have to deal with it. So it was actually a really nice, beautiful new Squig plushie that I did get inside of it, but I don't have it to hand now. So just to represent the plushie you do get, I threw in my happy little Nurgling because he's my favorite. So there was a cool plushie in here, it's now gone. And last but by no means least, they gave me an awesome Skulls t-shirt. It's got an early skull on the front, and then on the back, boom. It's got the Warhammer Skulls logo once again with the Librarian. Really nice high quality t-shirt. Really happy to have received that. I do quite like that, so yeah. That was inside my promotional box. Now I'm going to give you guys a quick insight of what I'm going to do with them. Okay guys, so what my plans are moving forward with the Skulls promotion. Obviously Skulls is running all next week, and I decided what I'm going to do is dedicate my Thursday stream on Twitch to the Skulls event. So that means I'm going to do an extended stream. I'm going to stream from 8 until 12. I'm going to do 4 hours of streaming. And what I'm going to do on that is I'm actually going to play through Space Marine 1. I'm super excited to play through Space Marine 2 when it gets released, and I planned to do that as a streaming session anyway. I've never streamed playing video games before. It's always been a painting stream, but I thought it'd be a little bit of fun to switch it up a little bit. And this Thursday can act as a trial run. I'm going to play 4 hours of Space Marine 1, have a little bit of fun with you guys. Hopefully you will join me, laugh at me missing all my shots and stumbling and falling and failing and dying and all those good things. I've not played this game pretty much since it came out. And during that stream, I'm going to be giving away the Steam codes for all of those 11 games that they have given me for free, so that you guys can get your hands on some goodies as well, I hope. So if that's something that interests you, like I said, next Thursday, we are going to be doing a special 4-hour stream from 8 p.m. till 12 p.m. Irish time, playing through some of the awesome Space Marine 1 video game, having a laugh, enjoying the Skulls promotion, and yeah, playing some games. So hopefully that's something that excites you and interests you. If it is, make sure you follow the link down below to follow me across on Twitch. Set on notifications so you don't miss the event, and you will join me and we shall have a fun time. Alright guys, I know this video was a little bit different. Hopefully you found it interesting or exciting, or you're excited for the stream to see how me streaming video games goes. I'm particularly nervous. Maybe this is going to go horribly wrong, but even when it goes horribly wrong, it tends to be quite entertaining for my Twitch followers. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, like, comment, subscribe. Check out Patreon down below for more updates and more content. And yeah, have a great weekend.